Welcome to the second episode of Assistance Tools in After Effects, and it is oriented towards camera. Let's move this moon around the Earth. First, create a null object and make sure it is centered on the Earth. Enable 3D for the null object. Then parent the moon to the null. Now rotate the null object. Add a simple expression to the rotation, time asterisk 100. Take a look at the movement now. It is not quite right, is it? Select the moon, go to the Layer menu, then Transform and select Auto Orientation. Finally hit Orient towards camera. Now let's explore what this tool does. Camera orientation is useful when you have a 3D object in your composition. Let me split the viewport into two parts. I'll change the second viewport to Custom View. First, I'll disable Auto Orientation so you can see the regular movement of the moon. When I turn on Orient towards camera, the surface of the layer always faces the camera or viewports. So, the layer remains visible even when you move from the side. I hope this tip helps you out. Thanks for watching and have a great day until the next daily life of a motion designer.